Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. The puzzle which we're gonna solve in this video is known as soft drink, burger and McFries puzzle. So let's start. Friends, let's solve this together. Let's pause this video for 30 seconds to solve the puzzle, and after solving, please share your answer in the comment section. So your time starts now. Three, two, one, stop! Hope you all enjoyed solving it. Let's begin to see the correct answer. In our first equation, we have 3 soft drinks whose sum is equal to 30. On solving this, we'll get one soft drink value that would be equal to 30 by 3 is equal to 10. So by the end of first equation, we have one soft drink value that is equal to 10. Now solving our second equation. In the second equation, we have one soft drink and 2 burgers whose sum is equal to 20. Putting the value of soft drink in the equation and finding out the value of burger. So 10 plus 2 into burger is equal to 20. On solving this equation, we will get one burger is equal to 20 minus 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So by the end of second equation, we have one burger value that is equal to 5. Now jumping on to our third equation. In the third equation, we have one burger and 2 packs of paired fries whose sum is equal to 9. So from the second equation, we have value of burger that is equal to 5. Putting that value here and solving this equation for the packets of paired fries. So 2 into paired fries plus 5 is equal to 9. So one pair of fries is equal to 9 minus 5 divided by 2. So pair of fries is equal to 2. So if 2 packets of McFries is equal to 2, so one packet of McFry would be equal to 2 divided by 2, 1. So this is end of our third equation. By the end of third equation, we have value of all the items present in the puzzle. That is, one soft drink is equal to 10, one burger is equal to 5, and one packet of McFry is equal to 1. Now solving our last equation. In the last equation, we have one burger plus one packet of McFry into one soft drink. Now putting all these values here. So burger value is 5 plus McFry packet value is 1 into one soft drink value is 10. Now we have to solve this equation using BODMAS rule, and according to the BODMAS, firstly we have to do the multiplication followed by addition. So multiplication would be 1 into 10, that is 10. Now 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So 15 is the correct answer, and we have solved this puzzle. Thank you friends. Thank you for being with us. If you liked the puzzle, please give us a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends and family members. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting puzzles and riddles. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.